What environmental harm did the Industrial Revolution create? Imagine a world where factories puff out smoke like giant chimneys and rivers run dark with waste. That was the reality during the Industrial Revolution, a time of big change. As industries grew, so did the damage to our environment. The Industrial Revolution started in the late 1700s and lasted into the mid-1800s. It changed how people worked, traveled, and lived. But it also brought serious environmental problems. One of the biggest issues was air pollution. Factories burned huge amounts of coal to power machines and steam engines. Burning coal released smoke, soot, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and carbon dioxide into the air. Cities became covered in thick smog that made breathing difficult and caused health problems like asthma and lung diseases. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides also caused acid rain. When these gases mixed with rainwater, they created rain that could damage crops, forests, and even buildings. This meant that not only was the air polluted, but the land and water were affected too. Water pollution became a major concern. Factories often dumped waste directly into rivers and lakes. They released chemicals, oils, heavy metals, and other harmful substances. This contaminated water made it unsafe for drinking, swimming, and fishing. It also hurt fish and other aquatic life, destroying ecosystems. Soil pollution increased as toxic waste seeped into the ground, affecting crops and animals that ate plants grown in contaminated soil. As cities grew rapidly, sanitation systems couldn't keep up. Overcrowded neighborhoods had dirty streets and poor waste disposal. This led to the spread of diseases like cholera and typhoid, making health issues even worse. The environment also suffered from habitat loss. Forests were cleared to get timber, build roads, and create farmland. This destroyed homes for many animals and plants. Some species couldn't survive the rapid changes and went extinct. The scale of damage was huge. Carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere rose sharply, which contributed to climate change that we still see today. Mining for coal and iron changed landscapes around the world, leaving scars on the land. While the Industrial Revolution brought progress and new inventions, it also created lasting environmental challenges. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change all started during this time. Understanding these impacts helps us see why protecting our environment is so important today. It shows us that human progress must go hand in hand with caring for the planet we live on.